Hey guys, and thank you for joining me. So in today's video I have come up with this Halloween tutorial. This is the jeweled skull Halloween tutorial. I have already done one Halloween tutorial before, which was giving an illusion of a face mask. If you haven't watched that, please click on the I button to watch that, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up. And let's get started with the video now. First thing first, I'm gonna take white paint. This is a normal face paint. It is a water based, so it's very easy to remove. I'm using a sponge, a very porous sponge, to place it all over my skin, my neck, and also my ear. Want it to completely covered with the white paint, and we are going very uneven. We are not going to put it like a foundation. We are going to have very uneven and rough kind of skin. And here I'm taking a black gel liner. This one was from MAC, and this is called a black track. You can use any gel liner you have in your home. Even you can use a black kajal instead of this one. So I'm mapping out my eyes. Like when I started this tutorial, I had no idea what I'm going to do, so I just went with the flow. And yeah, I just took a little bit bigger brush, and I'm just filling out all the areas with the black liner. Now taking the same kajal, I'm placing it under my cheeks to give an illusion of higher cheekbones. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm placing the same kajal on my lips to give to look like a dead person lip. Taking a liner brush, I'm placing it on the top of my lips to give to look like a cut mark, or how the stitches are done. So it's in the same way, just placing on the top of the mouth and being very patient here, because once you go wrong, you have to remove it and then you have to redo it. So just take a little bit time. And then taking a small brush, I'm blending it the edges. I want it to look like a rough and not like a line. So yeah, I'm blending it. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow, and I'm blending those lines which I've put below my cheeks. The white color base which I have put here is quite creamy, and I haven't set it with the powder because I don't have any white color powder, and it was quite creamy. So when I was trying to blend it with the powder, it was not blending. It was, it was difficult to blend. And yeah, but I'm still trying to blend it because the eyeshadow which I have took was quite pigmented, and because it was quite powdery, it was helping me to blend this, because the base is quite sticky and quite creamy, so it was being a little difficult to blend. Now with the same gel liner, we are creating a evil nose here. I don't know how it's called a evil nose, but this is how they define the nose. So I'm creating it, filling it with the same gel liner. Taking the gel eyeliner again, I'm placing it on under my eyes, because we while blending we have lose some intensity. So we're gonna place it again. And then taking a red lipstick, I'm placing it in the inner rim of my lips to look like as if I have blood over there. And I'm placing the same lipstick on my eyes, just on my upper lips, not sorry, upper lids. I'm blending it with the help of the blending brush. And then taking the white base which I've used on my face, I'm using that on my lid. Using black kajal, I'm placing it on the waterline. A rhinestone, I'm going to place it under my cheeks on the same place where we have used a liner. And we are also going to use a single rhinestone around our eyes, and it was actually quite difficult because I have a long acrylic nails, and it took me more than half an hour to create these kind of look. So I'm taking a black uh, eyeshadow and placing it all over the gel liner because it was not as pigmented as I wanted it to be. So I'm just placing it all the areas like around my eyes where I have used a gel liner, so make it more black. Placing the rhinestone one by one or one after one. It took me a little while, but we're gonna complete it. With the help of the white base, I'm placing it under the same marks where we have made it before to give it a rough kind of look. And then we are taking some more rhinestone, the yellow one, and we are going to connect it with our mouth. Now taking the black eyeshadow, we're going to create the a depth on the cupid bow and also on the chin. And we're also going to give a shadow on our forehead and basically all the outer part of our face. Now taking the fake popped eye which I got from the dollar store, and I'm placing it on the top of my eye, and I have stick it with the help of the lash glue, and this is the finished look. This eye is just for giving it more scary look. So let me know what you think about this tutorial. So I love creating this one, and this is my second Halloween makeup tutorial. So let me know your thoughts about it, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video and take care. Bye bye.